So in this video we're going to show you the installation of the Sungrow Urban on a wooden deck, 6x6 seater. We often get asked what's the easiest way to install the greenhouse on a base. So for any dimension of the greenhouse, the width will always be 3 meters, exactly to the T. The length will be multiples of 2 meters plus 6 centimeters. The exact measurements in inches are also available on the website. This is basically what we've done. We took a 6x6 seater, screwed it all together, and now we're going to show you what's the easiest way to actually secure it to the frame. This is the Sungrow Urban. It's 3 meters wide, 4 meters and 6 centimeters long for the frame. The greenhouse will be flush with the outside edges of the frame, and we'll now show you the easy way of securing it, and then later on you'll see how the polycarbonate is laying on the outside of the frame. Okay, so we're lining up with the outside edge and running the wooden screws through the openings and the arcs on a diagonal.
No?
Alright, so the front is done, and we're going to repeat it on all the other sides. Alright, so we've done all the sides. You can see the length, exactly 3 meters. The length, .406. So as you can see, the polycarbonate sits on the outside of the metal frame and just overlaps with the wooden base.